Ever since the members of Blackpink decided to leave YG Entertainment, fans have been waiting to see the routes their solo careers will take, and the girls didn't disappoint. While her bandmates have yet to release any projects of their own as soloist, Lisa has taken quite an interesting career path. However, even before she started her own agency and took the first steps towards her solo career, it was obvious that Lisa would be focusing her solo career overseas rather than in Korea. Her performance at the Crazy Horse Show Cabaret in Paris, the purchase of a luxury home in Beverly Hills, and her performance at the Gala des Pièces Jaunes benefit concert all suggested that she would be focusing on her solo career and targeting a Western audience, which turned out to be true. So, in February of 2024, Lisa launched her own label called Loud, and the promotions for it started right away as photos of her billboard ads in major cities like New York, Los Angeles, Singapore, and Bangkok started circulating online. Then she started getting projects left and right. At first, it was confirmed that she would appear in the third season of the HBO series The White Lotus. Since the series would be filmed in Lisa's home country Thailand, it was very exciting to hear that she would be a part of it. It's not yet known what role she will hold or the importance of her character to the storyline, but the anticipation remains high. It was refreshing to see Lisa not being tied down to the occasional comeback and red carpet appearance, but fans were still waiting for new music to come out. Then Lisa joined RCA Records and started hinting at a collaboration with Grammy-winning artist Tyla, so fans were anticipating her to break all barriers with her upcoming songs. A few months later, on June 6th, she released a teaser poster with only the words "Coming Soon" in it and pre-save links for Spotify and Apple Music. This is when the controversy started, as Korean netizens were confused by the fact that the announcement didn't involve any Korean streaming sites. A few comments on the online community site Instiz said, "So she's gonna pre-release her song on Spotify and Apple Music? This is gonna be difficult, I don't use either," and "No, but Spotify and Apple Music are all foreign apps." However, this had her fanbase jumping to her defense and pointing out
अपने फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट से खाना मंगवाओ सीधा अपने घर पे। अभी फूड पैंडा ऐप डाउनलोड करो और जो चाहो वो मंगवाओ।
fanbase jumping to her defense and pointing out just how hypocritical Korean netizens were being. Back when she had performed at the Crazy Horse Cabaret in Paris, they had urged her to leave K-pop and not associate herself with the industry anymore. Now that she was branching out, they were acting as if she was crazy for doing so. A commenter said the way they want her to still make Korea her primary market despite ragging on her endlessly for her cabaret show. They also pointed out that Lisa's announcement didn't imply that the song wouldn't be available on other streaming platforms and that the links were there just for pre-saving the song on those platforms, so the outrage was fake. This wouldn't be the last time that she would be involved in a controversy over a teaser. Then, about 2 weeks later, on June 18th, she released a teaser clip announcing that her single Rockstar would come out on June 28th. The clip teased a bit of the instrumental, something she would continue to do with TikTok videos, and based on the initial reactions, it seemed like the song would be a hit. Then her first concept photo dropped, featuring Lisa with a short, shaggy haircut, oversized glasses, big earrings, and even a star on her tooth. Since this was a new look for her, many literally couldn't take their eyes off her. Another concept photo showed Lisa in the same haircut, but now wearing a white outfit with silver accessories. However, the look, as well as Lisa's skin tone, started some very heated debates on the topic of blackfishing and whether Lisa was guilty of it or not. Blackfishing refers to a non-black person using makeup, tanning, or digital tools like filters and Photoshop to appear black or mixed race, and since Lisa appeared a few shades darker than we're used to seeing her, many went on to accuse her of wanting to appear black. A Twitter user wrote, "Saying Lisa is blackfishing isn't just about her skin tone. It's the grill, the pose, the chain, and the fact that we've heard her rap for several years and it's always giving appropriation." People also pointed out that in her Instagram posts, Lisa appears with a lighter skin tone, which means that she didn't normally look like she did on the concept pictures. Lisa's fans defended her, pointing out that she has always had a darker complexion due to her Thai heritage. They also noted that her skin tone has always been darker than other K-pop idols, as seen in her pre-debut photos, but said that she had been whitewashed during the years she was active as an idol in the industry. Some fans also argued that Lisa hadn't intentionally tanned or tried to look black. Instead, they suggested that the style of the photographer Jack Bridgeland was to blame. The fans went on to share side-by-side comparisons of other artists' work and pictures he had taken of other celebrities, showing that their skin tone also appeared darker due to the lighting and the oversaturation of the pictures. This controversy was quickly forgotten though, as Lisa's team, nor the photographer, ever addressed it. Before the song was released though, her team built hype around the budget of the comeback, especially the music video. On June 26th, Lisa dropped the first music video teaser, which stunned fans with her dramatic transformation. The short clip, filmed on the streets of Thailand, revealed a side of Lisa that we hadn't seen seen before from her Blackpink days. Even though the teaser was only a few seconds, she stood out with some bold outfits and the short glimpses of the choreography showing just what a strong dancer she was. From the short clip though, they noticed that she had filmed at the extremely busy Yaowarat market in Chinatown, Thailand, and wondered just how she had managed to shut everything down considering how big the area is. Turns out that Lisa's team paid more than $500 to every shop on the street to close early, and not only did they shut everything down, but they also kept the filming a secret, to the point that nobody knew she had even been there. The exact number of stores paid wasn't detailed, but it's likely that it was a big number of them given how close they are to each other along the same street. A local netizen mentioned that their relative's store, which wasn't even directly shown in the video, received the same amount of money. Unfortunately, even this generosity by Lisa was taken in a negative light. Once the news came out about Lisa paying the shop owners, many wondered why she didn't give them more money, especially considering how rich she is. They said that she could have given a lot more money to them since it wouldn't affect her wealth in any way. A user replied with, "That's not enough money, she's so greedy." Others highlighted that Lisa's donation amounted to a significant sum in Thailand, emphasizing that while $500 might appear like a small amount in the US, it holds a lot more value in Thailand where living costs are lower. Locals noted that as of January, the minimum daily wage in Thailand was approximately $10, which means that they get around $300 per month. So considering the news, Lisa's contribution to the Yaowarat road shop owners is double the monthly earnings of many Thai workers, money which they got within just a few hours. The fact that the street was included in the music video is probably also going to attract tourists as well, which will lead to the shop owners earning even more. So there's no loss overall. The song was officially released as planned on June 28th, and Lisa made quite the impression. The music video stood out with a noticeably larger budget and a distinct artistic direction compared to typical Blackpink videos. Lisa's outfits were also stunning and introduced a fresh look for fans, while the choreography was exceptionally impressive. What also caught the attention of others was the inclusivity in the music video, as it featured 3 popular trans Thai influencers. However, the song itself received mixed reactions. Many netizens criticized it for being repetitive, basic, and not matching the music video. A Reddit user commented their opinions on the song, saying, "If the song had 1 or 2 more verses, intro, and a bridge without repeating chorus 4 times, it would be a lot better. Right now it just feels like someone put minimal effort and called it a day." They also thought that it was tired that Lisa was rapping once again about how rich and influential she was, with a commenter saying, "The lyrics should really stop being so cocky and obnoxious. It all feels like bragging off. I can't see anyone being related to this song really." The only part of the song that received praise was the beat of the song, which people said was catchy and fun, and it fit an artist like Lisa. A specific line that raised a lot of eyebrows was the "Lisa, can you teach me Japanese?" as it confused a lot of listeners. Not only did the line not fit anywhere in the song, but to some people it also didn't make any sense because Lisa wasn't Japanese. However, fans came up with a few theories that could explain the inclusion of this line in the song. One of them said that she was addressing how Westerners often stereotype Asian people as only Japanese or Chinese, and she responded with images of various Thai women. Another explanation was that the line might be an inside joke for Thai people. They elaborated that in Japanese, the sound hi is similar to the Thai word meaning give. So the joke is that she responded in Thai instead of agreeing to teach Japanese. Additionally, they mentioned that her company name Loud is already a meme among Thai fans because it can be interpreted in Thai as secretly good. It was also said that she's making fun of people that think she's Japanese or got confused her with Lisa Japanese artist. People didn't think that this was the case though. They claimed that Lisa, and the rest of Blackpink for that matter, aren't typically known for conveying deep messages through their lyrics. Instead of interpreting the song as a commentary on racial stereotypes about Asians looking alike, some viewed it simply as another track showcasing Lisa's rockstar lifestyle. Since Lisa has yet to explain the lyrics publicly, they're still up to interpretation of the listeners. Undoubtedly, the biggest issue that Lisa has faced in this era are the accusations of plagiarism. At first, Yu Yang, a Chinese designer, claimed that the star-shaped top that Lisa wore in the music video was copied from one of her designs. The controversy erupted on the Chinese social network Xiaohongshu, where Yu Yang accused Lisa and her team of plagiarizing one of her designs from 2020. She presented evidence showing her designs and the process of creating her pieces from 2020, explaining that her products were made in London and used in international photo shoots. According to the designer, her design was either copied by Lisa's stylist or modified so her team could avoid these accusations. She wrote, "I agree that there are different minds thinking alike, but in the same time I think my design was definitely somehow on someone's mood board at some point, both on designer pieces and on Taobao." She also claimed that she tried to get in contact with Loud but hadn't received a response. These accusations were swept off pretty quickly since people thought that the star design of her shirt was pretty common, so Yu Yang couldn't exactly claim exclusivity. The designer was also accused of trying to get attention from these accusations and ruin Lisa's reputation. Despite everything though, Lisa's team got in contact with her as on June 27th they issued an apology via email, explaining that the star-shaped design was was chosen because it's one of Lisa's favorites. They assured that such issues would be prevented in the future and concluded the email with a sincere apology, so that issue seems resolved as of now. However, an issue that still remains unresolved is the plagiarism accusation from Gabriel Moses, the director of Travis Scott's Fiend music video. On July 4th, Moses went on to claim that the people involved with Lisa's Rockstar music video had copied his work. In his Instagram story, he expressed gratitude to his followers for bringing the issue to his attention. To point out the similarities, he also shared a clip from Lisa's Rockstar music video, highlighting the scene where the camera continuously panned to Lisa and her dancers. This shot resembled a scene from the Fiend music video featuring uniformed children. Moses said that he reached out to Lisa's company about the issue, giving them until the end of the month to respond. Lisa received a lot of backlash after the accusations came to light, with some internet users even urging Moses to sue her. Her fans, as expected, came to her defense and turned the accusations around, saying, "Did Travis Scott's music video director give credit to Kendrick Lamar, who did this 7 years ago? And how come a black artist using 100 bob-haired Asian kids as an aesthetic is same as Thai woman posing with 100 Thai women?" They also attached other scenes that resembled that of Travis Scott's music video. The issue got deeper when one of Lisa's fans alleged that RCA Records, the company that Lisa is signed to, had emailed Moses